What's up, YouTube? Bowman Studio here. Come back with another box break. Oh, actually, I said 09 Absolute, but it's 2010 Absolute Memorabilia. Empty box, of course. There's only 4 packs anyway, so I'm sure you guys can count to 4. If not, then you might have a problem. Gonna start with the first one with the sticker that's not even on. Sticker is not even on. Alright, good luck. Alright, gonna throw a base in the back. We'll go from the back first. Alright, back card, Adrian Peterson, Matt Leinart. Hit. Hit's going to be an RPM autograph. That was a rookie. Number 95 of 299. It's going to go to the Steelers. Nice looking football. It's going to be Emmanuel Sanders. RPM autograph. Nice looking card for the Steelers. Emmanuel Sanders. Little 3-color football there. It's number to, what was that? What did I say that was number 2? 299. Then the rookie card was Kyle Wilson for the Jets. That is number 78 of 299. Sanders actually looked good last Sunday. Pack 2. Okay, who had the Steelers? Wow, what do you know? 217. Nice hit, man. Alright. Next pack. Good luck. Let me pull a decoy out of here. Alright. Rookie card, Spectrum. Whoops. Holy crap. Let me try that over again. There we go. Alright. Rookie card Spectrum, number 12 of 50 of LeGarrette Blount for the Titans. Kenny Britt. There's our Gridiron Gear base I stuck in between there. David Garrard and our hit. Nice patch. Vikings again, numbered 45 of 50. 2-color patch of John Randall. John Randall. 2-color patch, old school. Holy moly. Fail on my on the camera. Let me tilt the camera back up. Sorry, YouTube. There you go. Alright. It's not the first time I've knocked the camera over. There you go. Nice looking card. Love the purple. Love the purple. What do I do with that Emmanuel Sanders? Here it is. Put him right there. Oops. Put him with Roethlisberger there. Alright. Pack 3. Pull my decoy out of there. There we go. Alright. Alright, it's a decoy here, so I'm gonna have a autograph. So Brian Bulaga. Rookie card, number to 299, Ryan Fitz. Marquise Colston and Spectrum Auto. Number 65 at 299. Gonna go to the Saints of Jimmy Graham. Jimmy Graham. I think the Saints were back in the break too. So whoever picked up the Saints, congrats on that one. Holy crap! If I knock my camera down one more freaking time. Here you go, Jimmy Graham. Alright. Final pack. Final pack. Rookie card of Zach Robinson, number to 299 for the Pats. Matt Schaub, Matt Hasselbeck, last hit. Alright, nice looking patch. Can't complain. Number 13 to 50, can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 breaks, 3 colors. Gonna go to the Falcons of Tony Gonzalez. Nice little nameplate patch there. And yeah, that will be random because the Falcons were out of the break. So nice. Nasty patch. Alright, well that's it. Come back with some more box breaks later on. Bummer Suit out.